Are you looking to save money on Legos? Here's my little trick that I use to save money on new Lego sets every year. It's really simple. I use Bing Rebates plus Lego.com. By using those two together, I get 3% back. And then I use whatever Lego promotion's going on. In a lot of cases, they gave away free Lego sets depending on the spend amount or the type of set that you buy. And then lastly, Lego gives rewards, so you can use discounts using those reward points as well as collect new rewards in the future. Here's an example of one that I did buying the Lego Expert set, the Bookshop. The Bookshop is generally a very expensive set, it's over $100. By buying it through Bing Rewards and Bing Rebates, I was able to get a 3% discount, which equated for over $5 that you can see here. And then they were giving away this free ice skating Lego set, which was worth about $35 is what I calculated. It has tons of pieces in it. And then lastly, we were able to save $5 using past rewards that we had, and then collected enough points to use another $5 in the future. So what I calculated is I saved about $45 in total through free sets and discounts and future points to use as well. I really found this methodology works best when you can't find a price point at one of the big retailers. Sometimes Walmart and Target will run half off sales depending on if you can catch it at the right time. But I found if you're just dying for a set and you're looking for a specific set, and you're looking for it on Lego.com, you're losing money if you're not using Bing Rebates to get that 3% back on all your Lego sets. We put a referral link in the description below if you want to start saving money and getting rebates back on different things such as groceries. We're going to do videos in the future on the best way to save on groceries, so definitely subscribe to see that in the future. Thanks for joining us today. Hopefully this saves you a little bit of money on Legos if you're buying them through Lego.com, and maybe you didn't know this. Again, the link in the description below is a referral link for you to get started with using Bing Rewards and Bing Rebates, so I highly recommend it. Thanks for joining us today. We'll catch you next time.